Welcome back everybody, my name is Blockreation and today we're going to be taking a look at a color printer for Minecraft Snapshot 17W6A. Unlike my old design for a color printer in Minecraft, this one uses just stacked concrete powder, which is turned into concrete right here at a water dispensing site. And that's why you don't have to have very complicated cartridges, but I think it also looks much cleaner because the colors are much more neutral and there's almost no texture to the new concrete blocks, and that's why it gives a much better look. This printer uses the new concrete powder and concrete blocks added in Snapshot 17W06A, and we have a starch of concrete powder which is gravity affected. That's why we don't need any cartridges or pistons that move these along. And right there you can see that it just falls down like this. But then they get pushed into this conveyor belt, get pushed into this tray and get converted by water, which this dispenser dispenses into concrete blocks. Then, after a row has finished printing, these pistons get extended and push the concrete row into this spot, and this process is continued 6 times. So we have 6 rows with concrete. To start printing, we of course need to set our pattern, and for that we want to access this double chest and lay in our pattern. So we want to have a creeper face. So I can't really paint that well, but I think this roughly expresses a creeper quite well. Like this. And important is that every slot just has one item of concrete powder, and it has to be one of these 16 concrete powders, or else it won't work or won't place a block in that spot. After that, we can just hit the button start printing, and as you can see, the first concrete powder is going to be dispensed and then conveyed over to the tray, where it's going to be converted into a concrete block, and then it's going to be pushed along as new concrete blocks come in, like this. Now I can explain further how this works. So right here we have a dispenser system that's going to take the items out of the double chest right here and move them along onto ice and to item sorters, where they will be sorted. And if a color is found, for example the green one right here, it's going to pick out that, and it's going to create a signal right here, as you could see. Then this piston extends for a short amount of time, which is going to push the concrete powder over into this tray, where it's going to be conveyed, which is activated by these repeaters that are going to power this line, which in turn activates the conveyor belt, which you can see right here. And it's a very simple design. It just uses observers and a control circuit with 4-tick repeaters and a piston at the very beginning. After that, we also have a dispenser with water right here to we convert the concrete powder into concrete, and for that we just have to activate it twice, and a observer does just that, so it activates the dispenser twice, because we detect one time if the repeater here is going on, and a other time if the repeater is going off, and that's why we have two signals which are going to dispense the water and take it back in. And after that, we just have to detect when the blocks are right here, and we do this simply by having a torch and then a monostable circuit with a dropper, which is going to drop a item into this hopper, which is going to activate the not droppers, but rather pistons. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I have put the world download in the description down below. And if Mumbo Jumbo sees this, I really enjoy your videos and keep up the great work. But anyway, that's it for today, and I hope to see you all in the next video.